Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share a fantastic product that can make a big difference in your little one's oral care routine. Introducing Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste. This specially formulated toothpaste is perfect for infants and toddlers, and we can't wait to tell you all about it. Let's get started. Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste is designed with your child's safety in mind. This toothpaste is free from fluoride, artificial flavors, and colors, making it a gentle choice for babies aged 0 to 3 years. Parents can rest easy, knowing they are using a product that is both effective and safe for their little ones. One of the key benefits of this toothpaste is its ability to help children learn proper brushing techniques. With just a pea-sized amount on a super soft bristled toothbrush, parents can guide their kids in small circular motions to clean their teeth and gums. This hands-on approach fosters independence and builds confidence in their brushing skills. What sets this toothpaste apart is the inclusion of xylitol. This natural ingredient is known for its dental benefits, such as reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. It also helps to combat plaque buildup, ensuring that your child's mouth stays healthy as they grow. The delightful strawberry flavor makes brushing a fun experience for kids. With other tasty options like apple, pear, and mixed fruit, children will look forward to brushing their teeth every day. This positive association with oral hygiene is crucial for developing lifelong habits. Finally, the convenient flip cap allows for easy access, making it simple for parents to use with one hand. Always supervise your child during brushing to ensure safety. Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste is proudly made in the USA, reflecting a commitment to quality and care. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a safe and enjoyable way to introduce your child to brushing, Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste is a fantastic option. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more great parenting tips and product reviews. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this toothpaste? Let us know in the comments below. Happy brushing, everyone. Us.